The majority of cryptocurrency users simply have crypto wallets linked to the exchange where they trade. Because it resembles a regular email password log, this gives users a false idea of how blockchain addresses function. Metamask is a cryptocurrency wallet that runs entirely on your computer and offers you complete control over your cash. Metamask has a plethora of advantages and at the same time some drawbacks, which we'll go through in this video. Let's dive right in. In a word, Metamask is a cryptocurrency wallet that lets you store and trade Ethereum and other ERC20 tokens. It is installed as an extension to your Chrome or Firefox browser rather than being registered on a website. It has also been released as a mobile app for Android and iPhones since September 2020. Setting it up, on the other hand, is a little more complicated than, for example, obtaining a wallet instantly when you sign up on Coinbase. You'll need to establish a password, but your email address or anything personal is not required, and then a random generator will generate everything for you. You'll be presented 12 seed words that you must memorize or store somewhere, ideally offline. If you forget your password, these phrases will allow you to recover your wallet. You have to be careful, as it is important to change the forgotten password. You are now a member of the Metamask Club. You can immediately begin depositing and sending cryptocurrencies. Or you can experiment with test networks first if you are a beginner with crypto, or if you just want to get a feel for the wallet before you make your deposit. These networks are perfect replicas of the Ethereum blockchain, but they use fake ether to function. Blockchain engineers adore them because they allow them to test their smart contracts for free. A private key is what truly makes you the owner of your wallet. It's a string of letters and digits that are used to prove ownership of your tokens and is utilized every time you conduct a transaction. The importance of private keys cannot be overstated. Your private key can be used to steal your money if it is discovered. When you create a wallet on a platform like Kraken or Coinbase, the private keys are held on the exchange's server, ensuring that you are not the sole rightful owner of your account. This is why hackers and other security breaches are conceivable. Binance lost $40 million in 2019, and the Bitrex exchange bans users' accounts. Metamask saves your private key locally on your computer, specifically in the browser data. Although this is a significant improvement in terms of security, it is still possible that someone might access your computer and obtain the key. Perhaps the only secure choices are hardware wallets like Ledger or paper wallets, both of which are inconvenient to use regularly. Metamask may indeed be connected to hardware wallets such as Trezor and Ledger. This is the best of both worlds, complete security mixed with Metamask capabilities. In a nutshell, Metamask might be a better wallet option. Metamask's ability to interface with smart contracts and DeFi projects in particular sets it apart from other wallet programs. If you go to Alchemix and opt to stake your token for profit, or if you go to OpenSea to look at new NFTs, you'll need to link your Metamask wallet to complete the transaction. Many alternative wallets work, but Metamask maintains its popularity because it is completely open source and has a dependable crew behind it that respond quickly to new concerns. Depending on the state of the Ethereum network, Metamask sets a default gas fee for each transaction. Additionally, using an advanced page that permits parameter modification, users may change the gas fee and gas limitation. Fees are the cost of excluding transactions, whereas gas limits are the maximum transaction costs a user is prepared to wager on a single transaction. On the second largest decentralized blockchain, transaction fees influence transaction processing speed. The faster the confirmation time, the greater the price, and vice versa. Gas fees options are divided into three categories by Metamask: fastest, fast, and slow. Gas fees are determined by Ethereum blockchain congestion, which has been a serious issue throughout 2021 and a key roadblock for the smart contract network to overcome. Note that if you set your gas costs too low in comparison to Metamask's default charge, there's a good chance your transaction will get blocked and never get verified. Any DeFi app is nothing more than a collection of smart contracts or programs that live on the Ethereum blockchain and await your interaction. Only nodes in the network may start such interactions. Nodes are machines that hold the full Ethereum blockchain and are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The blockchain is made up of nodes. As a result, converting your computer into an Ethereum node is both expensive and complicated. Metamask just requires an internet connection to link to your blockchain. It accomplishes this by connecting to Infura, an open-source Ethereum node that anybody may utilize. You are cut off from the blockchain if Infura is offline, but only for a short time, as it can rejoin to another node, but not immediately. Because Metamask provides you with complete power over your account, you must assume full responsibility for everything. You will lose your crypto forever if you forget the seed words and password. You may lose access to your Metamask account if you fall victim to a phishing attempt. Finally, Metamask gives you control and security over your crypto assets while also allowing direct contact with the blockchain and DeFi.